You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix CapCut lag on your phone or computer. First, close all other apps running in the background to free up memory. Restart your device to clear temporary files. For phones, check your storage. If it's nearly full, performance will suffer. Delete unnecessary files. In CapCut, lower the playback resolution in the settings while editing. Use proxy files for high-resolution videos. On the export screen, choose a lower resolution or frame rate like 108p instead of 4000. Update the CapCut app to the latest version. Clear CapCut's cache on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, CapCut Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app. Ensure your device meets the minimum requirements. Older phones may struggle with complex edits. Avoid using too many effects or layers in one project. Split large projects into smaller sections. On a computer, ensure your graphics drivers are updated. Increase your device's virtual memory allocation. If using a phone, disable power saving mode as it limits performance. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.